with you. I swapped one addiction for the other. But
as someone that's been sober for over 9 years and is also a very active human, everybody knows this is my favorite topic.
Yeah.
I think recovered addicts are like the closest thing that we have to
100%.
superhumans
Absolutely.
in real life.
Absolutely.
Because it takes a really special brain to put yourself
Facts.
through some of the things that addicts put themselves through, like
Most people couldn't
overdosing
do it.
dozens of times, having to go to treatment over 20 times to try and stay sober.
Yeah.
That endurance of
Discipline.
human suffering is unfathomable to anybody that's not
Most
an
people
addict or an
couldn't do it,
alcoholic.
wouldn't do it, won't
So
do
then these people get sober, right?
Right.
And they stay sober
Beyond
and it
sober.
sticks. And they still have that special brain that they used to
Exactly.
have, but they aren't using it for that anymore. They got to
100%.
figure out what else to use it for. And that's the
Transmutation
beauty
of
of
energy.
recovery, is you get to watch people get sober and realize that they can harness that energy that they were using to
100%.
kill themselves, and they can do literally anything
It's not
else
about
with
sober.
it.
It's
Their
about what you
wildest
do
dreams,
while you're
so
not
they make it come true.
consuming.
And that's, if you had told me when I was laying in my
Facts.
rehab bed in South
Facts.
Saginaw, Michigan, that I would be a mountain climber,
Yeah.
I would have never believed you.
Beyond